Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, it's going to be a little different. I'm doing a nail tutorial. This has been super requested from you guys because I always have my nails done, but I always do them myself because that's just how life works for me. But yeah, I did this little side tip situation, very holiday inspired kind of. But yeah, if you guys want to know how to get your nails this poppin', then just keep on watching. Okay, so the products that you guys are going to be needing for your nails is, of course, you're going to need liquid monomer, which is just acrylic liquid. And I got all this stuff from Amazon, so I just link it down below. I'm going to be using this Mia's Secret Cover Beige shade. And this is clear acrylic powder, but you don't really need this for this particular look. You're also going to need cuticle oil. You're going to need nail files, of course, because you have to file down your nails. I didn't use any e-files, so I just used all nail filers, like hand nail filers. And then I used this nail clipper for nail tips, and you're gonna need nail glue. Yeah, you're gonna need some nail glue. And I also use this little angled brush for when I remove the nail polish around my cuticles. And then you're also gonna need tape, but I ended up like not liking the tape method, so don't worry about that. And then you're gonna need your nail polishes. So I'm using these clear nail polishes, and I'm also using the red right in the back. Also use these tiny little eyebrow scissors to cut the nails for my shape, and then my nail tips. That's literally all you guys are going to need. Of course, you're going to need a little dish to put the acrylic liquid in and an acrylic brush. So first things first, you guys have to file your nails down because you really want to have a good base before you apply any acrylic on your nails. So yeah, I just use what am I saying? I just use a nail filer and I just file down my nails really quickly, and yeah. Okay, now I'm going to be clipping down my nail tips, and I already have them glued on because that process like took a little bit too long, so I just cut it out. But yeah, I'm just clipping my nails to make them the length that I want, and then I'm going in with the scissors, and I'm doing it like I'm cutting the nail tips at an angle because I'm doing coffin nails today. So yeah. Okay, so now I'm going to be shaping the nails with the nail filer, and this is really an important step. You really want to make sure you get your nails the perfect shape that you want, because it's going to be really easy to just lay down your acrylic and just, you know, get it all together so you don't have to do so much filing after the fact. So yeah, we're doing coffin shape because like I feel like that's the only shape that looks good on me, to be honest. So also, my camera kept going out of focus, but like I really couldn't pay too much attention to it because I really wanted to get my nails perfect for this video. So I'm super sorry about that, and hopefully next time I don't have this problem. So sorry. So now I'm just taking that same nail file and I'm buffing out all my nails, even the nail tips, because you really want to get it nice and buff so you can have a good base for the acrylic to lay on top of and stick to. Okay, now it's time to jump right into acrylic. So I'm going to be using this Mia's Secret Cover Beige shade, and it's like the most beautiful nude beige color ever, and it has little glitter particles, and it's so cute. And of course, you're going to have your acrylic brush on deck and your acrylic liquid in the dampen dish. So now I'm going to be taking a little bit of acrylic first just to get that good base, and I'm starting at the middle of the nail so I can build strength on that apex. And yeah, I'm just going through. It's kind of like you're painting your nails with nail polish, but a little bit more intricate. And yeah, I don't really know how to explain this too much because I'm not a professional. But I just go kind of in layers. I don't want to start off with too much product because it's kind of hard to blend it out and get it really smooth. But yeah, start in the middle of your nails to get that apex really strong, and then I go in close to the cuticles to get that area really cute and smooth. And I'm just also building the color so we can have a good opaque nail. So yeah. And also, you just want to make sure that you're not picking up too much product at first, especially if this is your first time doing your own nails. You really want to make sure you're taking enough at a time. You don't want to put too much liquid or powder. You really want to have that good ratio so that it's not dripping off of your nails, because I kind of had that problem, but we fixed that really quick. But yeah, just make sure you guys have a good powder to liquid ratio. Okay, so now it's time to go ahead and file the nails. We're just doing a quick file because we already have our shape from filing them really good in the beginning. But yeah, I'm just doing a quick file just to get them nice and smooth, just so we're having no bumps and no lumps. You feel me? But yeah, just buffing them and getting that shape really, really sharp before we go in with polish. We're going to be doing this side tip nail inspired by Sean Legend on Instagram. He's an amazing nail artist. You guys really should go follow him. But so yeah, I'm using red nail polish for this look, and I used tape because I thought it would be, you know, easy to get a straight line with tape, but it was actually much harder. So I just really suggest you guys just freehand this tip, because the tape, honestly, I didn't really like that tape method. But yeah, just have nail polish remover on deck because you're going to be getting it on your cuticles. So yeah. Okay, so now I'm going to be taking some gold nail little decals, and this was such a last minute thing, but I thought the nails were like a little bit too boring for me. So yeah, I'm applying these cute little gold stars, and I'm using nail glue to stick the stars on. Nail glue doesn't really help them stick for a really long time, so if you guys have any suggestions, then please let me know because your girl needs it. But yeah, this is literally the last step. I'm just applying some clear top coat on my nails, and I do two really thick layers, not really thick, but like thick enough layers of clear coat, and that's legit it. It made it seem really simple in this video, but that's literally it, you guys. It took me a really long time to do my nails today. But yeah, that is it for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. You guys can follow me on Twitter and Instagram, all Mega by Shania. And if you guys have any suggestions for nail looks and stuff you guys want me to do, just comment down below. You guys know the drill. So yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!